Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a sad occasion that I'm going to share with you. Unfortunately, it's part of agriculture and horticulture. We had a huge downpour yesterday. We had 30 millimeters of rain within half an hour. That's about 1.2 inches of rain within a half an hour, and we still had rain during the night and this morning. So some plants have been whacked and broken, so this was quite a devastation for me. I couldn't collect pollen or make any crosses, but I'd like to try to look on the bright side. We can see which plant survived the downpour test, the storm test. So this is a Sorbonne Oriental hybrid. Orientals are starting up now, and this one is Golden Party, and you can see that there's virus in the leaves, virus symptoms on the leaves, but no visible symptoms on the flowers. And you can also see, because of the rain, we had some Fusarium and Phytophthora, so there will be more, and maybe you can hear, but the rain already started to go again. This one is Belladonna, or Ballerina, I don't remember exactly. It's the original plant which the double form exotic sun occurred. This one is Gomera. Oh, it's just starting to open. This is Lilium auratum varietas platyphyllum, or gold band. This is a species lilies, and I'm very happy that it grows. And the red one is Firebolt. So this is Firebolt, also Oriental. And this one is African Lady. As you can see, it didn't survive the storm test, unfortunately. And this one is Zonloremp, or Empress, this double green one. And you can see that I like green flowers. I also like black flowers. That's just my weird taste, and I just have to be strong today. Oh, there's something I like to show you. This one is a North American hybrid. It's past its prime now, unfortunately. It's called Spirit of America, and I got it from Germany. And with these cultivars, I'm only missing one plant from my collection, which is Lilium testaceum, and that would make my horticultural lily collection complete, with all horticultural divisions present. And this one is called Snowborn, also Oriental. The cannas look great. They enjoy a lot of water and warmth, so I don't have to water them for a couple of days. Also the turmeric, curcuma, and the caladiums are looking great. Oh, and I got a seed pod on the yucca. I made a cross and one stick, so I'm quite happy about it. I have this dwarf yellow canna. I'm happy about it. It's seed grown. A daylily, and the Latvian cultivars. Some of them fade, Some of them don't fade. I better like the ones which are not fading, of course. Oh, this one fell, unfortunately. And the OTs, unfortunately, they were affected very much. These bent stems. This one is Carbonero. This one is Bellamonte. Eldoret a little bit fades. And Yellow Strike. And Katina. Pinnacle with a lot of virus. Also Purple Prince. It's a heavy-hearted day for me. Lesotho. Purple Lady. Borello. El Capitan. And this double one is Blizzard. Well, we had a blizzard yesterday, so it's because this flower opened. I'm just joking, no. And another mix-up. This should be Boogie Woogie. It's not Boogie Woogie. Boogie Woogie has a trumpet-like whitish flower. And the pink ones, these are they should be Olympic Torch, but they are not. Olympic Torch has salmon-like flower, and this is Palazzo. Well, the rain did a lot of damage on the flowers, so you can see the tepals on the ground. There was a little hail in the beginning of the storm, but because it came with a lot of water, it didn't make much damage, so you can see the leaves are intact. So maybe next year will be better. I hope so. What's this? Oh, this is Snow Up. And you can see that some stems did not survive. This is elusive. It doesn't have this nice color in Hungary because it was too warm. So Sarano, Leslie Woodruff, this one is Anastasia, and Mr. Pistache. And some did survive, so, but I don't feel good. More broken stems. This will be my new introduction this year. Petliar. And which one is this? Nice orange one. Gerlach. This one is Elegant. Pistachio looking great, despite it has a weaker stem. The Sunday wind broke 2 stems, so I cut it off. Medulianka. Oh, this is bad. Broken stems everywhere. Balinka. Well, at least this beautiful dark form of African Queen looks great. And there was a mix-up in the Beijing Moon, so this is Beijing Moon and this is Miss Peculiar mixed in. Because of the soil is so weak now, I can pick the bulbs out, so clean up the mess. Fortunately, the Asiatics are not that affected because they are not flowering anymore. Some seedlings. This one looks nice. This looked very nice before the storm. This one also looked great before the storm. Oh dear. Now I'm finishing up. This is indeed a sad occasion, but I would like you to know that weather events happen all the time in agriculture and horticulture, and we have to be prepared, or at least we have to go on, keep going on. That's the only thing we can do. That's what people do in agriculture. So every time a disaster happens, we just have to be very strong and try to save as much as we can and go on, and maybe hoping next year will be better. So thank you that you was with me, and see you next time. Goodbye.